Yo, what's up, tol? Kumusta?
Bakit, tol?
Itatanong lang sana ako, kilala mo ba si Amit, tol?
Sino si Amit?
Si Cersei Gaming.
Idol ko yun eh.
Idol mo, parehas pala tayo eh. Ngayon, tara na, kantaan na natin to.
2600 beats.
Eto ba si Amit? Oo, yung napakabait. Pero mag-ingat ka kapag siya ay nagalit. Napakagwapo at hindi mo ipagkakait. Madami ng kayamanan ng kanyang nakamit. Bagong pangalan na naman ang sumisibol. Isa tong batang pera niya ay dumidribol. Isang makatang kaya kang ipagtanggol. Mga tao kaya niyang baliwin at kaya niyang i-control. Maraming ng diskarte kahit sa laro. Pero hindi basta-basta to matatalo. At sa Trapos Cartel, isa sa pangulo.
Si Amit lang, siya lamang ang sakalam. Walang ibang tutumbas at lalamang. Si Amit lang, siya lamang ang sakalam. Walang ibang tutumbas at lalamang.
Listen up, let me spit it till about the guy named Amit. Girls are strong, the guy never quits, instead he grabs and jabs. Problem never stood a chance, all his life was solved by his blessed hands. And every time he falls in a dark road, then he fights it, going through a rough road. And he don't know, all these motherfuckers think that it's so slow, so he won't show. And he will show all his talents and skills that he still glows. All these bitches and bills that he still throws. Now you all know.
Si Amit lang, siya lamang ang sakalam. Walang ibang tutumbas at lalamang. Si Amit lang, siya lamang ang sakalam. Walang ibang tutumbas at lalamang.